New from K-Tel Records, a great new album. A dazzling array of 36 original stars, original hits.
Killer cut after cut from K-Tel International.
$5.99 from K-Tel. Paper cassette, $6.99. Available wherever fine records are sold.
That's right, in partnership with Siren Records, Girls Rock Metal Detecting, Greatest Digs of 2017. I am your hostess, Siren Kimmie, and we are rocking through the digs of 2017 with mega digs like the General Service Button, the Black Eye, My First Big Silver, and who could forget the infamous Confederate Belt Buckle. We've packed in so many great finds, you'll think we've gone insane. You could click away, but why would you want to?
Oh!
I'm riding deep into the woods.
Who's that I see walking in these woods?
If you never hear from me again, you know why.
Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything.
Hey everyone, Siren Kimmie here. Thanks again for joining me. I've been doing a bunch of digging lately. What a surprise, right? Been here since like the 1840s. Private property. So, it could be promising. Wow, check this out. It is a really, really fancy stamped brass piece. Very, very pretty. Yes. Love, love, love it. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. It was a horrible signal. Horrible. Oh my God. That is a General Service Button Civil War. Oh my gosh. Yes. I got beat up by thorns to get that sucker, but it was worth it. And this is actually the finial off a cartridge box. So that is an amazing find as well. Now if I can just find the box plate that was on it, yeah, that would be awesome. Check it out. Got a musket ball.
In the still of the night, I hear the wolf howl, honey, sniffing around your door. In the still of the night, I feel my heart beating heavy, telling me I'm gonna have more. Something turns me into something good.
Main road digging by these really old trees. Look at the size of that. And I keep getting honked at. Does that ever work? I just don't see that working. I'm sorry. I don't know. Whatever.
You have a beautiful body. Why can't I say so? Hey girl. Looking right.
I have what looks to be a carved bullet. That is cool. I'm out digging in these thick woods. Look. Got vines falling in on me. 1800s property. See what we can find. I found the outhouse. That tells you how old this place is. Let me see.
On my machine. War nickel. Hell yeah.
Got a great steel cuff button. That's World War I era. About 4 inches down. Got a Merc. It's a 1920. I haven't rubbed it or cleaned it. It's probably a little rough for wear, but it's silver. Love that silver. What is it? I can't tell what it is. All I know is it's big and it's copper, and I think it's something good. Ah! Sadly, I cannot get a date off of this, but after really, really cleaning it up and looking at it, I have my very first large cent. So excited. Yeah, see this driveway. You see this little hole. And you see that? Civil War, baby. Civil War. Okay, out here at a new permission. Here we go. Let's see what we can find. Get off the cords. Hey. Nope. Nope. Check it out.
Let me see. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Congratulations.
I'm going out into the woods and see if I can find some more Civil War lead. And I just pulled out this Enfield. Some Confederate lead out here. You guys see that? You may recall last year I lost my pinpointer. I didn't come out here with the mindset of finding my pinpointer today. I'm just out here detecting and I walked right up on it. So let's see, after maybe 6 months of being out here. And it still works.
She comes on her lunch break.
This is like my third hole. There's still a bunch of mess in the hole. It was a little bit of an iffy signal. I ran my coil over the clod just to check it. And then I ran the pinpointer over and I saw this edge poking out. And oh my God, it is a sterling silver bracelet. And it is amazing and it's gorgeous. And there's a heart on it. And it's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to me. Yeah, I'm digging in these. Oh well, gotta do what we gotta do. What is it, what is it, what is it? Please, please, please. Be something good. Oh, it's a Merc. 1916. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get a date off of it. 1925 maybe? Yeah. It's turning out to be a good day. Silver and Civil War. Awesome. Too cool. In the not too distant future, in some woods or old estate, Siren, Kimmie, and her AT Pro are detecting a historic space. She travels across the battlefields, over trenches and through streams. Nothing's gonna stop this girl from digging treasures of her dreams. Digging history, Siren Theater 2000. Oh my God, that's horrible.
I'm scared.
Hey, presents, good.
Oh, well, that should be.
Hey, the end credits. Well, it was a terrible movie. At least it was short.
These are the beginning credits.
Oh,
Are you
well,
afraid?
kill me, please. We're on the road to nowhere. I'll say.
Okay, it's starting to pour down rain. I just pulled this out of the ground. Civil War bullet, 3-ringer. Yes! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't even believe it. I can't. This huge ass bill. I'm like, I can't believe it. Oh my God. Oh my God, I am shaking so bad, you guys. Oh my God. That is a black eye. It is Confederate infantry, a lined eye. Look at how beautiful that is.
Live coverage of the solar eclipse.
We'll do a little bit of metal detecting now. Some metal detecting during the eclipse. I already could tell what it's gonna be. It's gonna be silver. But I don't know what. I see a Mercury. Oh my gosh. 1918. 1918.
It's that time. Christmas time is here. Everybody knows there's not a better time of year. Hear that sleigh. Santa's on his way.
Hey everyone, welcome to Siren Santa Headquarters. This is a special Girls Rock Metal Detecting Christmas Digcation. We're also giving away a metal detector tonight. The Fisher F22 is going to be given away tonight. Michael Badito is our winner. Congratulations, Michael. I hope you enjoy it and dig some amazing things. So let's get started, shall we? That's right. I got a percussion cap. Okay, I just dug up that percussion cap, and apparently out with the dirt came this. It's the same color as the sand. And did what you're supposed to do, and I ran my coil over it again, and this cool button came out. But it is really, really pretty. And another percussion cap. Okay.
Okay, and
Pistol bullet.
camera's gonna bust.
No.
It's smoking now.
That's in his yard. We've been out here digging. We've been out cleaning up his trash. Love it.
Did you get it already?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Got grape shot. First one of those ever.
Poor fellow, he's two of them working against him.
And I don't know if you can see behind me, but there are a ton of sunflowers out there. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna see if I can find something cool, so let's get to it. You see how deep that is? There was no shovel needed. Just kick the dirt over with a shoe. Just kick the dirt over and check that out. She's gonna find that relic.
Is that not funny?
That is hysterical. That's right. Everybody's getting ready to call it. I said, no, I don't want to quit. And look what I got. The free ringer. Freezing to death. And got an intact J-hook, which is really cool. You guys, this is crazy. Do you see how deep this is? Look, I'm gonna show you with my hand, like up to my knuckles. And I got small hands. And there was some iron and it was a little bit sketchy. And I decided to dig it. I thought it was going to be a soda can because it really was super sketchy. And BAM! And here is my first big silver. Yes! You guys, you're not going to believe what I just found. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do you see that? Look what I found! We think it is the center to a tongue buckle. Oh my god, you can kind of see where it broke off. The ones that have the wreath around them. Sorry about the tractor noise. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh. I actually found something that says CS on it. I want the rest of it. Oh my god. Do you see that?
Hey Santa Claus, hey Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus, well Santa Claus.
So there you have it, Girls Rock Metal Detecting's Greatest Digs of 2017. Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment below and feel free to share your favorite find from 2017. Now I'm off to continue this year's relic hunt, which promises to be just as exciting. If you have not done so, please subscribe and leave a like. Your subs and likes are actually the only way I really know if you like what I'm doing here. Help a girl out. Thank you for coming along the ride with me. I hope you have enjoyed the videos as much as I have enjoyed doing them. I have been having a blast, you guys. There's nothing like sharing the finds that I discover and keeping a little journal, so to speak, of what I've dug in my adventures. And I really appreciate you guys coming along the ride. Thanks again. Take care, you guys.
When the siren